Jason Aldean. He's got a new one out called We Back, and I've been watching this song and listening to it. I mean, his treatment on it is a full band, and it's, you know, really flying if you've seen the video. So I thought, well, how could I include, you know, the different parts of it and do it in an acoustic way? So check this out, and if you like it, you know, take what you like and leave the rest. But it's in the key of, it's got an E minor, a D, a C, and a D. That's pretty much it. And it's got a little intro that goes. So I'm basically doing an E minor shape up here on the B string, and the 7th fret on the high E string, 8th fret on the B string, and then the 5th on the high E, 7th on the B, 3rd on the high E, and the 5th on the B, and then down to a D shape, 2nd fret high E, 3rd fret B string. And so it sounds like this. Now that's actually the intro, and the one guitar goes. So I can't teach you all the different parts, but I'm just going to throw together sort of an acoustic version, see if you like it. So you go. So that's kind of a way you could approach it acoustically. Another way you could do it is if you want to do the chorus with a little bit of more of a rock edge to it, you could do this kind of E, which is just E, E, B, E, and then B, E. It's all B's and E's. Basically, the shape looks like this. You've seen that before. It's kind of a power chord, but you go. So I'm just repeating those chords. You know, it's 7th fret on the A string, 9th fret on the G string with your 3rd finger, on the D string, sorry, and 9th fret on the G string with your pinky. And it sounds like this. I like that chord anyway. It's got kind of a ringy sound to it. It's sort of a modal chord. It's not really a minor, but it can act as a minor. So if you do that, do the same form. You can let the E's ring out. It sounds like this. There's a thing where they do the climb. Put all those three things together, you know, you get the kind of the vibe of a band almost with an acoustic guitar. We're back, we're back, we're back. You can move up to the other chorus. Here. version of We Back by Jason Aldean. Hope you got something out of it.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.